You guys are ready to go up that puppy?
We're going. Let's do it.
We're going up there.
Let's get to the top.
Let's go. And we're off. 400 steps right now.
I think that means meters.
Or 400 meters. Whatever it means, it says 400. 400 a lot. 425
meters.
We're almost at the top. Almost there.
Voy subiendo, voy bajando.
También.
Tenéis que tener en cuenta que
She went up with a knee brace.
I know, right?
It's nice. It's nice.
We don't quit. We go to the top. 650.
No, I wasn't referring to you.
Oh, we made it. Now we're going to a viewpoint.
Parqueadero principal del usuario de la retirar todos los bienes que no sean anexos o complementarios al vehículo, de no hacerlos en función de
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Salía por este lado.
It's nice and tight. We keep going. All right. This is the top of the rock. We made it. That's an exercise. You better be in shape. Beautiful view. It's worth it. Definitely.
Once in a lifetime.
Once in a lifetime, baby.
Yes, it is.
Check out the view. Go. Come on, D.
Don't force me, dude.
No.
Ah, por allá. De revés. No veo a nadie. No puedo ver a nadie bailar. Puedes cerrar los ojos. Está bien. Eso no lo vamos a volver a hacer.
before going down. Beautiful view. Legs feel like jello going down. Yo creo que es más fácil rodar para abajo. Just roll down the hill.
Well, roll down?
Yeah, roll
Go
down.
ahead, man. I'll meet you downstairs.
All right, I'll get there faster.
Als je erover te slapen
Hey, I don't think those are meters, bro. Steps.
Steps, dude.
They just said 100 right there.
100 steps. No, it has to be meters.
You don't think so? You don't
I think it's
steps?
meters, bro. Can't be steps. We didn't just climb down 100 steps. I don't think so. We're gonna find out.
We're gonna find out. Did you do 25 steps?
I'm gonna stick with meters. Everything goes by meters.
They can say steps.
O te sabes si eso 125 quiere decir metros.
¿Metro o
No, escalones.
escalones?
Escalones.
Thank you.
Alright.
Yes,
Doesn't feel like it.
Me ganaste $10.
Yeah, it does.
Fucking do it. We just walked up 600 steps. It's not a lot yet. Go ahead, you do it.
It didn't feel like it.
You gonna do it, buddy. Oh man.
So we just confirmed that the blue numbers on the steps are steps, not meters. FYI to whoever's listening.
On YouTube?
Yes, definitely.
Alright.
He corrected me and said meters.
Alright.
He was
The
absolutely
one time that Tommy's right.
incorrect.
So one time Tommy's right. He's got a glow.
And we're broadcasting worldwide.
Worldwide.
Woo! We made it, baby. Up and down. Rock. We came, we saw, we conquered. The Rock.
Did the damn thing.
That's right.